Take a look at this Instagram page. 323,000 followers and millions of views. Now take a look at this TikTok page. It has 466,000 followers and its videos are getting millions of views. This shows that videos in the mini kitchen niche are going viral right now. In this video, I'll show you how to create videos like these using AI completely for free and in less than 5 minutes. I prepared everything for you in advance, so all you have to do is follow the steps. Without wasting any more time, let's get into the tutorial. First, go to the link I provided in the description and copy the prompt I prepared for you. Then go to ChatGPT, paste the prompt and click the send button. ChatGPT will show you 10 different food ideas. You can choose one of the foods from the list and send its number, or you can type the name of any food you like that is not on the list and send it. After a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete video prompt for you. Copy the video prompt and go to Google Flow. Paste the video prompt into Google Flow and switch to video mode. Choose your preferred aspect ratio, select OmniFlash as the model, and set the video duration to 10 seconds. Then click Generate. A few seconds later, your video will be ready, and this is the final result. Let's do it one more time. Copy the prompt again. Go to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and send it. ChatGPT will suggest 10 different food ideas. Choose one of the foods from the list and send its number, or type the name of any food you like that is not on the list and send it. A few seconds later, the video prompt will be ready. Copy the prompt and go to Google Flow. Paste the prompt and check your video settings. Finally, click Generate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.